All right, I'm going to talk about the basic food for the day, per day, out in the woods. It's pretty basic, not much. Um, it's pretty lightweight, very cheap as well too. But to get you through the day, get your carbs and protein and all that fun stuff. I'm not going to get all hippie on you, but so what I do for breakfast essentially is I'll grab an Idahoan. They make a hash brown. So I'll split one of those in half with half of a single serving of Mountain House, a breakfast of any sort. If it, this is scrambled eggs, I believe that one is too. But essentially, you take those two items, and you're looking at about $6 there. You make two full breakfast meals, so you're good for 2 days, 2 mornings. After that, been working for a little bit, or I'll have it with, if I'm still hungry, is I'll grab any sort of protein bar. These can get up to like, $2 a piece. This one's, I believe, like $1.49 at Walmart or something. I go for the protein grams. It just fills you up quicker and gets that in your body while you're out there working and cutting the wood for, the trip. Lunchtime will come around. What I typically do is so essentially these are $1 a piece or less than $1 a piece. So you got a whole entire lunch that will fill you up for hours for less than $2 or $2, whichever. Idahoan potatoes, awesome. I love potatoes. They have very many great flavors. And then I'll typically get a package of tuna or salmon, something, along the lines of this. If I don't eat them together, it'll be separate within just, a couple hours apart. They make a good snack item too. But typically what I do is I'll mix them together. So you got a little meat with your potatoes, and it's just, very quick and easy. Just hot water, you're done. Dinner time rolls around. We got full Mountain House meal, single serving. I think this is mac and cheese, chili mac and cheese. I take them out of the package. As you can see, these are a little bulky. They're still lightweight. You could toss the water in them, but it's just less room to put a whole thing in there and then just toss in the Stanley full of hot water, and then you got your dinner. So drink essentials, it's very good to, when you're out working in the woods and all that stuff, you got to keep yourself hydrated. So water's always like not the best flavorful thing, especially out in the woods. I mean, you got to filter it and stuff. It makes it taste better, but there's, things for in the morning where, I always take a hot chocolate packet. I don't always use them, but it's also good to mix in with the coffee sticks. So you can get like a 6-pack of these things at the Dollar Tree for $1. And that's 6 mornings or 6 cups of coffee. I don't know how much coffee people drink here. And then throughout the day, what I do is, again, the Dollar Tree is amazing for these type of things. It's a package of Hawaiian Punch. You throw it in a Stanley cup full of water. It's, gives it flavor. And I love lemonade too, so I gotta do a lemonade. So I'll typically have one of each a day, on top of a bunch of water or beer, however. And then typically what I'll do is I got two bags of tea per day. Right before bed, I love having a hot cup of tea. It's just kind of relaxing, get you in the tired mode. Typically we're half cocked by then, by drinking all day, but whatever. It's also another good thing is what I'll do is I'll put this in cold water, let it sit for, majority of the day. Then you got iced tea. Or not, I guess cold tea. A couple other snack items I'll take. I like these little Slim Jims. Like, they're just kind of like, whatever. Toss them, whatever. Lightweight. Little snack here and there. Additives for dinner, any spices and stuff, these are amazing. Crushed red pepper, I like spicy stuff, so, But, salt, Obviously, you can get these at any fast food joint or wherever has them. Just grab a few extra. Those are always good to have. Typically, what I also have as a snack, I don't have any on me. I haven't bought them yet, but I like to take like a zip bag of trail mix or like some sort of cracker situation or something like that. Just kind of like a midday snack. But it's it's great. But anyway, this is all a full day's meal and snacks, whichever. And it all fits in a bigger zip bag, which I will show you here in a second. So, as I was saying earlier, the full meals package is in a larger Ziploc bag. I mean, this is probably just over a pound. I'm just guesstimating. I don't have a scale or nothing here, but you got your whole day's works in there. Food, drinks, everything. So, easily a pack. So, one a day. You got, if we're out there 3 days, I'll have 3 of these things. And it's an amazing way that I have come up with, and works and fits in my pack, and good to go.